Don't be fooled into thinking AI can replace human therapists. There are unique benefits to traditional therapy that AI just can't replicate. Want to know what they are? You're not alone if you've been tempted by AI therapy apps. It's easy to think they offer a convenient fix for anxiety and depression. But here's the real talk: AI excels at providing information and structured support, but struggles with the complex nuances of human connection. Traditional therapy creates a safe space to unpack your deepest fears and build genuine trust. The human element makes all the difference. Think of AI as a great starting point for self-awareness, a digital journal, or for mood tracking, but not a full-blown replacement. It's only in more support. AI can analyze patterns, but it lacks empathy and lived experience to fully understand the complexities of your life. Many of us are seeking the quickest answers, but sometimes there's a deeper value in the long-term process of human connection. Here's a strategy: use AI to track your moods and patterns, then share that data with your therapist, who can analyze it and address it with a human approach. This helps your therapist personalize your sessions and build your unique self-care strategies. It's an amazing synergy. This approach allows you to leverage technology for support, while prioritizing the invaluable connection with a human therapist. This is where success meets support. If you're ready to integrate these strategies and go deeper into the path of human therapy, subscribe now.